Hi everyone, this is day 3 of the 14-day Signature Edge Challenge. So today's prompt is about sharing something you've personally lived through or experienced that gives you a different perspective on your topic. For me, one of the biggest parts of my story is that I didn't grow up believing I could build a creative career. So now I'm in my early 50s and this is something I've only just started doing. I loved art at school, but life went in a different direction, and for years drawing was just something I occasionally came back to. But it wasn't until the COVID lockdowns in 2020 that I started drawing regularly again, and that eventually led me into realistic animal art with coloured pencils. So I've mentioned before I'm also neurodivergent. I have ADHD, autism and dyslexia. And that's shaped the way I learn, create and teach. I know what it feels like to become overwhelmed by too much information, to struggle with confidence, or to feel like you're behind everyone else with creativity. And because of that, I think I teach realism in a very supportive and accessible way. I break things down step by step because I know how important it is for people to feel encouraged rather than intimidated. A lot of people think realistic art is only for naturally talented artists, but I genuinely believe most people can improve when they have the right guidance and support. And honestly, that belief comes from living it myself.